Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn hard math problems. First, cultivate a growth mindset, viewing tough problems as chances to expand your knowledge. Instead of feeling overwhelmed, break down each large problem into several smaller, more manageable parts. This approach makes the entire process less daunting and helps you tackle each component individually. Remember, true learning comes from understanding the underlying concepts, not just rote memorization of equations. Active engagement is crucial for mastering difficult math. Don't just read solutions. Actively work through example problems yourself, writing out every step. A powerful technique is to explain a concept to a friend or even an imaginary audience. This reveals any areas where your understanding might be weak. Consistent practice is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of focused problem solving every single day to build your skills. You are not alone in your learning journey. Many resources are available to help. Explore different textbooks and online tutorials, as they often present concepts in varied ways that might click better for you. Working with classmates allows for diverse perspectives and problem-solving strategies. If you find yourself stuck on a particular problem for more than 15 minutes, don't hesitate to ask your teacher or a tutor for targeted assistance. Finally, consistent review and resilience are vital for long-term success. Periodically revisit problems you've already solved to strengthen your memory and understanding. Pay close attention to the types of errors you frequently make. Recognizing these patterns helps you avoid them in future attempts. Remember that mastering hard math takes time and consistent effort. Embrace the process, stay patient, and never give up on yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.